In this quick walkthrough, we will evaluate a definite integral step by step. Here is the problem. Evaluate the integral from 0 to 2 of 1 over x squared plus 1 dx. We will visualize the area, find an antiderivative, apply the fundamental theorem of calculus, substitute the limits, and simplify to the exact and approximate answers. First, the visual meaning. We draw axes, and the curve y equals 1 over x squared plus 1. The definite integral from 0 to 2 is the area under this curve above the x-axis between x equals 0 and x equals 2. Think of the area as the limit of lots of thin rectangles that perfectly match the curve. Step 1. Find an antiderivative. The derivative of arctangent of x is 1 over x squared plus 1. So the indefinite integral of 1 over x squared plus 1 dx is arctangent of x plus c. Step 2. Apply the fundamental theorem of calculus. The integral from 0 to 2 of 1 over x squared plus 1 equals big F of 2 minus big F of 0, where big F is an antiderivative. Using big F of x equals arctangent of x, we get arctangent of 2 minus arctangent of 0. Step 3. Substitute the limits. We write arctangent of 2 minus arctangent of 0. Since tangent of 0 equals 0, arctangent of 0 equals 0. So our value is arctangent of 2 minus 0. Step 4. Final result. The exact value of the integral is arctangent of 2. For a quick approximation in radians, arctangent of 2 is about 1.1071. This numerical value matches the green shaded area from 0 to 2 under the curve. Recap. 1. Identify the antiderivative arctangent of x. 2. Apply the fundamental theorem. Evaluate big F of 2 minus big F of 0. 3. Compute arctangent of 2 minus 0. Answer. Arctangent of 2, approximately 1.1071. And that is the complete, quick, and intuitive solution to this definite integral.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem solving tips. Let's make math simple. One video at a time, only on Myers Maths.